Hi girls, in this video I am going to explain the lab program checkboxes, using checkboxes and change the color of the background. Checkbox to change the colors of the background. So I just copy this program and I am going to paste in the notepad and I will tell you. So I just paste this. Here you have to input these header files for the applet program. So applet is a tiny program. It's embedded with the web page by using HTML codes and Java codes embedded with the HTML code. And the first one is import java.awt and awt event and then applet. You have to implement all these files should be imported for an applet and applet using Appletviewer. So this is the applet code. The class name is the color check. It extends the applet class and implements the item listener. These are all inbuilt classes, applet and the interface item listener. Here for the checkbox, three variables or three objects are created for this checkbox class, and then for the color class the C object is created, and then this is the RGB red blue green declared in the integer type. In application program, the main program, the compiler start the execution from the main program, public static void main. But in the applet, the compiler start the execution from this init method, that is the initialization. So this init method. So here the checkbox, three checkboxes are going to create using this object. Red is equal to new red checkbox of red and blue and green. Already for the checkbox class, the red blue green object is created, but here the object is created for the checkboxes red blue green. And then add the item listener, because you have to click and non-click the checkbox, so you have to add the item listener for these three checkboxes, and then add that checkboxes to the component, that means the panel. So add of red and add of blue and add of green, and then here the public void item state change, and then it receives the parameter item event and object IE. This is the inbuilt method in AWT. And then here RGB, the color of red, blue and green is assigned to 0. That means if it is 0, it will be black in color. Here this in this if statement, red, that means the checkbox red, checkbox blue and checkbox green. If the checkbox red, that getState method used to check the current state of the thread, whether it is true or false. If the red checkbox is enabled, that means if the red checkbox is in the true mode, the red is to be declared as 255, the highest range. 0 to 255 is the color ranges. If the getState red checkbox state is true, the red color is assigned here. If the blue checkbox is true, the getState method is used to check the state of the checkbox. If it is true, the blue color is the high 255. If the green checkbox state is true, the green color is the high 255. And then here for the color object, see the object is created and the constructor is called here RGB, the three colors, mixing of the three colors. So and then by using this color object, the background color is set. Whether if the OR value is 255, the other are in the 0 state. That means if you click the red checkbox, OR will be 255, G and B are 0. If you click the blue checkbox, OR the value of OR is 0, the value of green is 0, B is 255. Like that all the colors are used here, and the background colors is set according to the C value by using this if condition. Here the use of the repaint method is the repaint method is used to the repaint method causes the AWT runtime system to execute the update method of the component class, which clears the window with background color of the applet and then calls the paint off method. So the main use of this repaint is the component class which clears the window with background color of the applet and then calls the paint off method. So this is the use of the repaint method. So after I'm going to save this. Already the program is saved in the system. I just go to the prompt to run the program. I'm going to change the path. And then compile the program. So here the curly brace is first here. So again save the program. And run the program. If there is no error, the prompt will be displayed. And then you run the Appletviewer program name. So there is a error here. Okay, the file name is given as around. So Appletviewer color check, which spelling of the check is given wrongly. So it reproduced that I can't read that file. Error message. So this is the width and size of the So by check, if the red checkbox is ticked, the red will be the high. R is equal to 255. And then here it is, go back to the repaint method and display the another color when you click the blue checkbox. And if you check this green, you select the green, it will display that green color. If you choose all, it will be in the white color. 255, 255, 255. R value is 255, and RGB green is also 255, and blue is also 255. So the white background is displayed here. In this program, this applet code is the applet code. The color check is the name of the class name, and also you have to give that code. And width and height is the height of the applet window. Appletviewer window screen. Okay, so this is the concept. So if you give the value to something 200, the value of red, the color will be displayed as displayed in some other color is not in red. So I'll just close this and compile the program again. So I check this color will be in the maroon color, right? This is not in the red shade because I changed the value of R into 200. So this will be like this, and if you choose the green, it will be like this. So the color of the red here is not red, it is in the brown maroon color, because I changed this value to 200, not 255. If you give the full value 255, it will be in the dark red color. Okay, this is the lab program. So thank you, friends.